Part 4, something kind of happened, but the media was captured.
Shows you some money. Get in line. No, I'm just a neutral party looking out for a well-being.
And we can make this a 4-part video.
If you care about her well-being, you can pay her rent, or she can do something else to get in my good graces.
Yes. Oh my gosh, you're gonna cut his finger off?
I'm sorry. What are you, grandpa or something? Or something. Please, you don't want to do this. I think I do. Somebody's got to teach you to keep your hands to yourself. Okay. I'll do what you want. Come on, man. Good. We're gonna make a little arrangement.
Yeah, we are. That's a good freaking cut. He was cutting a hot dog and then, or a sausage or whatever. It looked like the finger was getting cut, but no, it wasn't. It was he was cutting a hot dog or some crap. I don't know.
Hey. Having to sneak in here.
Oh, you snuck in here again.
Last time I was here. Right in your face. I got in a fight with a paper towel dispenser. A couple goons at a chop shop. Got rid of that neck brace thing, that's good. There's the head gears for nerds. Doctor told my mom I might not walk again. What? No. They can't know that. They don't know how strong you are. Sensei. You did what you taught me? You showed mercy? What's happened to me? I don't know. You don't know. I trusted you. Did everything that you told me. Go. Look at me!
Miguel.
Get out of here. Miguel, you can't. Get out of here! Please! Just please.
It's gonna be okay, Robbie. We'll figure this out. I promise.
Oh.
I'll be right back. Okay? Just keep eating. It's okay. He's not right, Daniel. He keeps talking.
Oh, I'm gonna assume Shannon called him.
You gotta trust me.
It's okay.
We'll fix this. Hey. Nice cut. I'm gonna pay you back for the van. I didn't think that van was your style anyway. Look, I know it must have been rough on your own out there. Is Sam okay? She's not you. Or your dad too. Robbie, I need to apologize to you. But I caused all of this. I'm the one who... I know you blame yourself, but I let you down. What I said to you the last time that we saw each other, that was... terrible. I'm so sorry. No, but you're right. It was a mistake trying to help me because I can't change. We all make mistakes, Robbie. But our mistakes aren't who we are. You can learn from your mistakes. And I'll help you with that. Well, listen. This next part is going to be really
Oh
hard.
no, I know what happens.
But this is the best way forward. I spoke to a lawyer and he explained to me that it's important.
Police are here.
What did you do?
I told him that you're gonna turn yourself in. Trust me, the sentence will be much lighter this way.
No, I can't.
You can and you have to, Robbie.
Just keep me talking so I want to leave.
No, I was trying to help you. Hey, easy with
Oh
it.
no.
Robbie, this is only temporary. I will get you through
Well,
this,
juvie,
okay?
technically at his age.
I will visit you every day, I promise.
He's like, you know what?
Don't bother.
Don't bother. Oh, Shannon. I feel like Daniel's like, why did I do this?
Strong as our weakest links. When we remove these links, this is what's left. We are one unit with one united purpose. Nichols.
And this is how we know Tori's last name is Nichols.
That issue I was having got worked out.
That's right.
Good.
Fall in. We've got work to do. Forward strike. Ready? Ice!
Nice. Oh, we're back in 65 again.
I don't think I can handle this.
Oh. So is he going to Vietnam now?
But no matter what, I'll wait for you. Promise you'll come back to me?
Oh. Seriously, Emily Mary Palmer really nailed her performance. I thought that's real. Those are real tears. She plays Betsy.
Your whole life you've been told to be good. But good is only a matter of perspective. Always remember your enemies think that they're doing what's right. They think they're the hero. And you're the villain.
Really?
But now you know the truth. There is no good. There is no bad. Only weak
Weak.
or strong.
Strong.
And now that we've shed our weakness, it's time to show our strength.
Oh boy.
If you do that, I promise you, you will be unstoppable.
Wow. Really deep words from John Kreese. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys. So that was nature versus nurture. Those were pretty dark, good words from Kreese. And if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, check out Ian Preston, my first channel. Link will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you all. Strike first, strike hard, no mercy. Hoo-yah!